In Aquademia project, 20 students from all over Europe participated working in different water companies. Our goal was to satisfy both student and company's needs.
My own experience was in a Dutch company where I spent 4 months. The company suggested me joining in the technological team because they were looking for a method to manage sustainable development. At the end of the internship, I delivered a report that currently they are using for another project.
Aquademia project gives students the opportunity to work with foreign companies over Europe. It also gives the opportunity to companies to receive innovation and new ideas from students. All these projects are related with water management, and it's a great opportunity to learn about that theme.
The more relevant results and achievements of Aquademia are, first, to close the gap between industry and universities. Second, to have a consistent model based on competencies. Third, to make work together industry and university tutors. Fourth, to have a structured internship that trains students in specific and transversal competencies planned together by university and industry tutors that allow the students to obtain a certificate of competencies. Finally, Aquademia is a project, is an experience that is useful to be applied in other contexts in the world.
Lessons learned and methods developed within the European Aquademia project can easily be applied in any other geographical area. However, we think that this is of special interest for the South Mediterranean countries. At the one hand, there is a big problem of water scarcity. At the other hand, a great unemployment rate of young professionals. But within all, there is also great potential of innovation for the industry. This is the reason why we think that a similar structure to Aquademia, a knowledge alliance, bringing together different stakeholders to exchange knowledge between each other, can be of special interest for the region. We are looking for the right partners in the South Mediterranean region to make this project real.